So, umuulan na naman dito sa amin. And I just remember a few things. Una, yung pag-ulan is like the steps of problems in our life. Yung ambon. It may represent those little problems that we have in life. And sometimes we just ignore it. And parang wala lang. Di ba? Then yung buhos na talaga ng ulan, which is damang-dama mo na at mababasa ka na talaga, and it starts to sink in sa'yo na malakas na nga talaga ng ulan. And it's just like with problems also. Diba na parang, oo nga, may problema nga ako. And then, yung malakas na buhos na talaga ng ulan, na damang-dama mo na at merong nang takot sa'yo kasi nga, nandun eh. Nandyan na yung moment na kung saan it's already hitting you hard. Nandun na yung takot, nandun na yung mga bagay na kung saan you'll never realize na ito pala yung problema talaga. Ganito pala kalaki talaga yung problema in the big picture. Pero in every problem, there is a solution. And the solution is to always get ready, to always anticipate things, to always expect the unexpected. Bakit lagi sinasabi ng magulang natin na baka umulan, magdala ka ng payong? Haven't you realized that? And if you would just think of it as a problem, diba? Kung titignan mo yung ulan as a representation of your problema, yung ambon, yung pag-ulan at yung magiging bagyo na. Yung ambon hindi mo pinapansin eh. Yung ulan na mismo, it's started to hit you. Pero yung bagyo na mismo, there you are crying already. Kasi bakit? Sayang, hindi ako nagdala ng payong. Yung payong na yun, that is prayer. That is the word of God. That's the advices that your parents give to you. Yung payong na yun ay yung magpoprotect sa'yo. Ambon pa lang, alam mo na uulan. So what am I talking here? Bakit may ulan at ambon in problems? You always remember, mga kapatid, to always be ready in the storms of life. Always be ready in storms of life. Learn to discern problems. Even though maliit pa lang yan, let's step up and make and find a solution about it. Huwag mo nang patagalin yung problema mo. Huwag mo nang tambayan. Kung may problema ka man ngayon, learn to pray, to seek the word of God with all your heart, and to learn from others. Huwag ka mahiyang magtanong, kapatid. God bless you.